Well, again, everybody, we're back. Another American Review with Kyle. Not a big drinker on Sundays, but the Bengals blew another game where they gave up 40 points and wasted an offense. They lose 47-42. Led the game with 17 seconds. Also trailed by 14 with 2 minutes and 17 seconds. So, unbelievable story. So, I'm going to drink a beer. I got one today from the Fair State Brewing Company out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. And this is their staple Mirror Universe Hazy IPA. Brewed with oats, wheat, barley, and too many hops. Now it comes in at 7% ABV. And we're going to get into it. Fair State Brewing out of Minneapolis. I don't know if I've had much from them. I have heard of them. I have heard of them, but haven't had a ton. And we're going to go ahead and get into Mirror. I mean, we're sorry watching the TV. Something funny, but what's going on over there. But anyway, let's get into this. I got my chili water glass from Indianapolis, a brewery. Pour this up. This gets a really good score, but it's not exactly fresh. I got this at a place called the Barrel House yesterday on a little dating trip with my friend Sarah. This was canned in late June. June 25th. So, yeah, I figure IPA life would be like maybe August, maybe September. So we're gonna see. This gets a really good score, over a 4. My friends are giving it like a 4.25. A lot ahead on that beer. Let's let it sit. So, we'll talk football. We'll talk weather. Of course, hope everybody's adjusting with the time change. That's okay. That's gone on. We had that extra hour of sleep. So I always do better with these. I know it's dark in an hour, and that's terrible, but it does smell tropical. Yeah, let that head settle for a little bit. Nothing really crazy about what I've heard about Fair State. This was $5 for the single can, which I don't think is bad for a place like the Barrel House. Doesn't make a lot of money. So Minneapolis, of course, we did go up there. I did do Shirley Brewing, which I think still reigns supreme, but there's a lot of good breweries. This one up there, Black Stack's near that area as well. Minnesota's got a lot of crap. Well, I've waited long enough. I know the head will settle. Let's get a sip and cheers. Normal IPA. It tastes okay. I don't think it stands out. It's tropical, fruity. Yeah. There's some, everybody says IPA tastes the same. I used to think that's true, but I've had some breweries where they stand out. This is not a standout one. Not terrible, but for me, it's average. I'm going to go 3.5 out of 5. Thanks, everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Fair State Brewing, Mirror. I'll go 3.75. I'll correct that score to 3.75. That's all I can do. Mirror University. Cheers, everybody. See you soon.